For people who have their operating system as Windows, you can go through the website www.anaconda.com and you can follow all the steps that are listed here. You download the Anaconda installer, then you go and just click on next. Let your destination folder be the same, don't change anything, and then install it. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9. It comes with the latest update, and then click next. After it is completed, click finish and just check if it is installed in your system or not. For people using operating system Mac, who have Mac operating system, follow the same procedure. Download the MacOS installer, install for me only, and then press continue. Install, and then continue, and then don't change anything. Just follow the steps, and then once it's installed, you will get a box like this. Thank you for installing Anaconda distribution. Close the box and use this method if you prefer to use a terminal window, just in case. But so far till here, it is good for the Mac operating system. And rest all are just, if you want to verify your installation, you can go through this website. And same goes for people who have Linux as their operating system, and just follow through this website. And the website is docs.anaconda.com.